Hi, this is Dahee TV Korean Class 101. Welcome to Eps-Topik Lesson 4. Enjoy watching and enjoy learning Korean. Let's start! Alright, so yung direction natin again guys is ganun pa rin kasi yung sample problem na sasagutan natin is from 1 to 200. Okay, so dito na tayo sa number 31 to 40 problem. Okay, so nakalagay dito is daom kurimul buku manunbano na mundangol kurusipsyo. So it means you are going to look at the picture below and choose the correct word or sentence. Okay. So number 31, nakalagay dito sa picture is what? Ito ay isang libro guys, libro. So ano yung libro sa Korean? So let's check number 1. Number 1 is nakalagay don. Don, as you can, if you can remember, don means money, pera. So it's not. Number 2 is oat. Oat is what? Damit. So naalala nyo pa ba? Oat is damit. And number 3 is coat. Coat is flower, bulaklak. And number 4 is check. Okay, so check in English is book. So ito yung sagot for number 31. So libro, book in Korean is check. Okay, so next, number 32. So 32 nakalagay dito is isang what? It's a desk, right? So ano yung desk sa Korean? Let's see number 1. Number 1 is 옷장. 옷장 from the word 옷. Can you remember? 옷 is clothes, damit. 옷장 is closet. So it's not. And number 2 is 침대. 침대 means bed, kama. So it's not. And number 3 is 책상. Okay, so 책상 from the word 책 is book. 책상 is desk. Okay, so the correct answer is number 3, 책상. And number 4 is 의자. It's not 의자, it's 의자. 의. Okay, so 의자 is chair. So the correct answer for number 32 is 책상, which is desk. Okay, next, 33. Ito ay isang what? Vacuum cleaner, right? So vacuum cleaner in Korean is number 1 agad yung sagot, guys. It's 청소기. 청소기. 청소 means clean. Okay, so 청소기 is cleaner, or you can say vacuum cleaner. Okay, so the answer is number 1. Okay, 청소기. So number 2 is what? Sitaki. Sitaki. Sitaki is washing machine. And then number 3 is 냉장고. 냉장고 is refrigerator. Ref. 냉장고. Okay, and number 4 is 선풍기. 선풍기. 선풍기 is electric fan. Okay, 선풍기, electric fan. So dapat familiarize nyo rin itong mga words na ito kasi hindi natin alam na lalabas din sila itong mga words na nandito. Okay, so the answer for number 33 is 청소기, vacuum cleaner. Okay, so number 34 is isang sayal. Tima. Okay, this is tima in Korean, sayal. Ano yun sa atin? Yun sa English is skirt. Ano yun sa Tagalog? Palda. Okay, so in Korean, ito na agad yung sagot, guys. Number 1, chima. Chima means skirt. Okay, this one, skirt. And number 2 is paji. Paji, naalala nyo pa ba? Paji is pants. Okay, and number 3 is shirt. Okay, shirt. Okay, it's not skirt. shirt. Short. Kung sa atin, shirt. Okay? And number 4 is moja. Moja means what? Sombrero, kalo, hat, or cap. Moja. So the answer for 34 is chima, which is skirt. Okay. Next, number 35. Ito ay isang kama. Bed. So, naalala niyo pa ba what is bed in Korean? So, as you can see here, for number 1, nakalagay chimde. Chimde is bed. Okay? So, number 1 is the correct answer. Chimde. So, let's also see choice number 2. Cheksang. Okay, di ba kanina? Cheksang is desk. Okay. And number 3 is 책장. 책장. Tek from the word check din, book. Yogi to book. Yogi means here. So, 책장 means bookshelf. Okay. And number 4 is 의자. 의자 means chair. So, since it's bed, it's a bed. So the Korean for bed is chimde. Okay, so the correct answer for 35 is number 1, chimde. Okay, so next is 36. Ito ay isang camera. Okay, so camera in Korean, you can say sajingi, or you can also use the same name of this as camera. Okay, so basahin natin. Number 1 is computer. Computer. So it's computer. Okay, number 1, no. Number 2 is radio. It's radio. Radio. In Korean, radio. And number 3 is camera. Okay, it's the same, right? Camera. Camera, this one. So the answer is number 3. And number 4 is what? Television. Television sa atin. Television. Okay. So, television. So, the answer for number 36 is camera. Number 3. Okay, ang bilis lang, di ba? Next, number 37. Ito ay isang what? Ito ay isang computer, right? May mouse pa, ganyan. Okay, so, ang sagot is number 1 pa rin, guys. Number 1. Agad. Computer nakalagay. So, computer. Computer. Okay, it's number 1. So let's also check number 2. 냉장고. 냉장고, it means refrigerator. Okay, and number 3 is camera. Camera, okay, it's not camera. And number 4 is 휴대전화. 휴대전화. May kwento ako sa inyo guys about this word. Ito, hue. Kasi sinabi ng asawa ko na ang Korean sa tawag dito ang Korean sa tissue kasi English din siya pero may Korean din kasi. So sabi niya ang Korean ng tissue is 휴지. Hindi ko masunod yung sinabi na Fuji. Hindi ko siya masunod talaga. Kasi sinabi lang niya. Tapos, pag ganito kasi nakasulat, nung time na yun din, hindi pa ako marunong magbasa ng Korean. Tapos sinabi lang niya, sinusunod ko lang yung pronunciation niya. Pero hindi ko talaga mabanggit yung Q. Okay? Yung Q. Pero, nung nalaman ko na, ganito pala yung spelling niya. So, Q pala, Q. So, yan, may kwento lang ako about this word kasi hindi ko makalimutan ito na nairita na siya sa akin kasi hindi ko masunod yung pronunciation nitong Q. Sabi ko, Q? Ay, hindi ko masunod talaga yung Q. Okay? Pero nung marunong na ako magbasa ng Korean, so, it's Q pala, not who or you. It's Q. Okay, so 휴대전화 is cell phone yan. Cell phone. 휴대전화. Okay, so the answer for number 37 is computer. Number 1. Okay, so ang bilis, number 38 na po tayo. Number 38 is, what's that? Ito ay isang, wala namang nakalagay dito na sadungsa or car. Pero sa picture kasi na ito, hindi masyadong makita ito dito taas. May nakalagay dyan na taxi. Taxi. So, ano yung taxi sa Korean? Ganun pa rin siya. So, number 1 is taxi. 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 Okay, so number 1 is the correct answer. Pero check natin number 2, nakalagay is gita. Gita means train. Ito? Gita is train. And number 3 is bus. It's bus. Okay? Bus. Bus. Next, number 4 is jajongo. Jajongo. Okay? Jajongo means bike or bicycle. So the answer for number 38 is number 1, taxi. Okay? So next is number 39. Number 39 is TV, right? Television. So, ganun din yan siya, yung pronunciation konti sa Korean, if maalala nyo. Okay, so number 1 is radio. Radio, radio, it's not. And number 2 is camera. Camera, it's not camera, right? And number 3 is 냉장고. 냉장고 is refrigerator, ref. And number 4 is television. Television. Okay, so the answer for number 39 is television, number 4. Okay, and for the last number, 40. 40 is what? Cell phone, right? So ano nga ba yung cell phone sa Korean? Naalala niyo ba kanina? Okay, so let's check. Number 1. Ayan. Nag-ingay na yung washing machine ko, guys. Tapos na daw siya. Okay, so number 1 is nakalagay. Hindi masyado makita dito yung isang dito. Isang guhit na paganyan. It's not gisangi, guys. It's gesangi. Okay, so error ito. Dapat gesangi siya. From the word kesan. Kesan means to calculate. So gesangi is calculator. Okay, so kesangi is calculator. Number 2 is television. Television. Okay, television. Television. Okay. And number 3 is 휴대전화. 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 Okay, it's cell phone. So, number 3 yung sagot. And for the last, number is 4. Ano ito? Notebook. Notebook. Computer. So, computer siya, tapos may nakalagay notebook. Ano yun? Ano yun, guys? So, sa atin, sa English, that is laptop. Laptop po yan. Okay, so that is notebook, computer. Computer, notebook, computer. Okay, so the answer for number 40 is number 3. 휴대전화. 휴대전화. Okay? All right. Until here, guys, hope nakatulong sa inyo ang aking mga videos. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share my video. See you all on my next video. Annyeong!
Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comments, and share my videos. Until next time!